Hey, welcome to my capstone presentation. And the capstone title is the Goal Digit. It helps you budget smarter and live freer. And feel free to scan the QR code at the right top corner to try it out yourself. So this is a high level of what I'm going to be sharing. So just a quick introduction of myself. I'm an ex-business consultant and financial planner transitioning into full-stack developer role, just like you, completing Sigmaschool full-stack development bootcamp today. And one of the main drive on why I choose this as my capstone project is throughout my past 6 years of servicing various clients from SMEs to individuals, I found out that no matter what is your income level, there's always an uncertainty in whether you are making the right financial track. I believe that this is why we need to have a simple tools just right at your mobile to help you. And the Goal Digit is designed to turn the goal of reaching financial freedom into reality by helping you taking the first few crucial steps, set your goals, keep track, and see the progress all in one place. And this is for target audience of between 18 to 44 years old, working population. I know that you could be busy juggling work, life, and your personal interests. So you just need something straightforward, simple, and dynamic to help you manage your finances. And this is the technical and the tool stack I've been using to complete this capstone project. The challenges I face when I'm working on my capstone project is firstly, I designed the ERD diagram. Just a quick look at it. So in order to have a complete budget tracking app, I need to have all these entity from the user to the budget, the transaction, and the account. However, when I started my project by designing the back end, I realized that I have faced the challenges of working on one page when I'm trying to link all these three entities together. So Safa suggested me to just starting with the one entity first, the transaction SQL table. So I managed to work on it and come up with the version I have today. But moving onward, I will work on the rest of the entity to give a more completeness for this project. And second challenges I face is when I designed the logic for this app, and this is something that come up at the front end. Yeah, I hope the user has so many digits in your bank account. Okay, maybe you can give me 3 of it or 4 of it. Okay, so this is because I left out the past integers in my function. That's why this appear. A lot of time, this kind of minor or even major bugs appear. I need to fix it consistently. And actually, I think half of the time I'm busy fixing, but rather than building my application. And thirdly is I want to build a speech-to-text API integrated app. I use a lot of time to learn how to integrate it by watching the video, reading the documentation. By the time I want to implement it, I realized that API is no longer available because they have just acquired by another firm. The website seems fine, but when I try to get the API key, it's no longer working. So I feel very sad because I just left 2 days to submit the project. So I learned one thing: if I want to integrate any API, I should work on a smaller skill or even at a side project before I want to implement in my main project. So lesson learned. Alright, you can scan the right QR code to watch the demo video, or you can watch it with us here. Okay. User can choose a sign up with the password, and you can sign up with you already existing the database. In the message that is for up to the user that is which action of the review has been created. Of and you can return access to it. So budget tracker, and you can start to record your income or expenses. Income, pay, and the amount of your transaction. And choose the account as a okay. And the transaction. So this is a successful record of your income. If you expense with a date, the amount, and then you can see the number of your incoming direct account expenses and savings. You also look transaction. Let's look at the when you do really have a payment transaction with the account. I do. As you can see, when you have more transactions, you can always contact any of them to the rate of immediate. Application of how you can pay the transaction. And then you become a person and paying the amount that you can charge to them. So that this is a spending on housing and it takes for people. You also can set it for the if you want. Okay. And just last note is the milestone. The second transaction and the the provides, for example, this expenses you recorded over time. Now you can see the clear breakdown of where is your income sources from and where you spend most of your money on. Other front end UI is in the dashboard and black total. I tell you for the assistant team. And you can assistant with any question that you ask for after 6 minutes. Okay, here's a demonstration on this application is responsive to all the screen sizes from mobile to tab and normal laptop view. You can sign up here. Thank you for watching the demo for how we do the application. Thank you for more updates. So moving up next, this is just a quick sharing of the limitation of existing budget tracker app in the market. I'm citing this from this case study on budget tracker app by Mauri, Gatka, and others, published in the International Journal of Research Publication and Reviews. So most of the tracker app available in the market now, of course, require manual data entry, and very much how useful it is to the user. It depends on the user discipline to key in it. So we also know that not all the budget apps able to integrate with our banks or our e-wallet, it making it more challenging for users to keep all their data in one place. Of course, there will be a privacy and security concern when they want to put in their personal finances in an application. And when a user has more complex financial portfolio investment, the application itself might not be used for them. They might still need more sophisticated financial planning tools or advisors to come in to assist them. So for my Capstone project, I keep it responsive and it's dynamic and it's secure. And also having a dark mode toggle and personal assistant to help you with your generic financial planning question. And there will be more feature released in the next few milestones. Stay tuned. And this is an overview of my future enhancement plan. So the learning experience I gained from this project is, I'm quite worried when I started this bootcamp, whether I can make it and successfully transition into a software developer. I can only find out through doing a line of code at a time and killing one bug at a time. And my second experience learned from this project is, when you try to figure out how to make the code work, the exact idea you need pop out right before you settle down, you want to go to bed. So I believe that I learned a lesson of trying to talk with more experienced developers for brainstorming for ideas instead of stuck in your blocker for a longer time and being less productive. Okay, last but not least, I need to specially thank my Bacular squad, our instructors, Safa, and Ken also give me some insights on how to deal with worriness about competency, and Khan and Junheng as a mentor and EA to help me debug uh, all the projects throughout my bootcamp journey. So thank you. And in conclusion, GoalDigit is an app designed for scalability and more features to be added in. I welcome any one of you who would like to collaborate on this project because I plan to make it a long-term project and eventually something that you yourself or myself would like to use it on a daily basis. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and try out the app yourself. Thank you.